It consists of a servo tank gauge, a communicator, and ATG software. It measures the product level, temperature, density, and oil-water interface, and conveniently calculates the volume and mass. Here is how the system works. Usually, the displacer stays on the surface of the product and collects the level data. When the product level goes up or down, the displacer will stay at the same height of the product level. When the product level reaches its high limit or low limit, the servo tank gauge will release an alarming signal, as preset by the program for safety purposes. After receiving a command to conduct comprehensive measurements, the displacer starts moving down, and sensors inside, which start to measure the temperature and density of the product automatically at several heights, each spot for 2 to 3 minutes. The sensor will precisely capture the temperature and density data, and transmit them up to the servo gauge via wireless communication. After finishing the multi-spot measurements of the temperature and density, the displacer keeps going down. When the water probe contacts the oil-water interface, it will capture and transmit the water level to the servo gauge immediately. Upon the probe has passed through the silt and arrived at the bottom of the tank, the actual height of the tank is generated. The long probe ensures the displacer always suspends above the silt to prevent the displacer from being contaminated. The displacer will automatically return to and keep floating about the surface of the product after taking the measurements. Next, the servo gauge will do the calculation. After manually importing the tank capacity data, we can easily retrieve the volume and mass data of the product in the tank.